Olha o Falcão, vai. Se domínio pro Falcão. Lambretinha! Golaço! De novo pro Neto. Falcão ajeitou de peito. Golaço! É gênio! É iluminado! Deu pra bola, Falcão passou. Vem o torpedo, vem o torpedo. Tocou Falcão! De letra! Com a bola. Eita, eita, meu garoto, o que é isso?
So go hard or go home. I'm a beast. Yeah. I got it on my mind. See, I came here to shine. So let's get it on the grind. Step up in the building. Swagger on point, right? Put your seatbelt on, cause it's gonna be a long night. It's gonna be a long fight. But then again, maybe not, cause I stepped in my zone when I pulled into the parking lot. I'm about to get it in. Yeah, I got it on my mind. Let's end this thing in regulation. I ain't thinking overtime, cause I didn't work overtime. And I ain't trying to overgrind. I transform the beast mode just like Optimus Prime. I came here to ball hard. I love this game, is all I got. That's why I'm going all out and give it everything I got. Yeah, I give it all I got. If it was my only shot, I play the game to win to the end until I pass out. Whichever just might come first. Quitting's never on my mind. I put my heart in this. That's why I lay it all on the line. So look me in the eyes. Please don't be surprised that I push it to.
I was in the bando a long, long time. Need to get the Lambo and drive. I was in the lab, you were on my mind. But all I really do is just go. I was in the bando a long, long time. Need to get the Lambo and drive. I was in the lab, you were on my mind. But all I really do is just grind. I had to get it on my own. Had to break the pound in the zone.
Vai embora o Japa, fez o toque no Pito, cavadinha, golaço! Nacional do Daniel, olha o Pito, eita, eita, incrível! 3 Brasil!
What?